Hey guys, welcome to our May 2022 dividend portfolio update. It's been a bit over a month since the last update and the market has reached new lows. So I've been stockpiling cash in my checking account and slowly burning through my Robinhood cash position trying to dollar cost average in. We are still trying to build cash flow, so we can still look at this as an opportunity to buy more at a lower price. But I am trying to be careful in case the markets take another turn for the worst. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out how much the portfolio has burned away since our last update. On this channel, I talk about all things finance, wealth building, and how you can achieve the life of your dreams through financial independence. If you want to join me on this journey to financial independence, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright, first, let's take a look at the portfolio's value change. Growth stocks took another hard hit this month. Companies like Netflix have dropped over 50%, while Amazon is down over 30%. Tech stocks are getting completely slaughtered right now. And my staple income stock QYLD actually tracks the NASDAQ 100, which is made up of all tech stocks, so we are seeing some larger than usual drops there as well. Last month, we saw our portfolio sitting at $119,234, and today it's at $112,330, which is one of the larger decreases we have seen in a while. We had a total decrease of $6,904. This is an income portfolio, so I am not too worried about the paper loss from a few of my growth positions, but hopefully stocks will recover one day and I will be sure to sell them off and transfer the funds to my income stocks. Moving on, we can see that our portfolio's dividend yield increased again by over 0.5% from last month, jumping from 4.93% to 5.62%, which is a 0.69% increase. The goal of this portfolio is to generate an 8 to 10% dividend yield, so we are making excellent progress, and at our current rate of increase, we should have a 6% dividend yield by next month. Speaking of dividend increases, we can see that our annual dividend income has also jumped up quite a bit. Last month, our annual dividend income was $5,879, and this month, it's $6,308, which is an increase of $429 annually. Our current goal is $12,000 of annual dividend income, and we have finally crossed the 50% mark towards our goal. Alright, now let's take a look at our account's growth over the last few months. We have been tracking this portfolio for 10 months now. In the chart on the left, we can see that our portfolio's value has stagnated for the last 5 months because of the current market condition. I have slowed down my investment rate just a bit to preserve some capital since there is no telling how long this bear market will last. And I want to make sure I have some dry powder just in case the market takes another turn for the worse. Next, in the middle box, we can see our dividend growth over time. This month, we actually saw a major drop in dividend income with a total of $224.46. But this is actually because our highest dividend payers, like QYLD and RYLD, are paying out May's distribution on June 1st. And since I track dividends on a month-to-month basis, even though it's a May distribution, the income will not be counted until it hits my account, so it will be included in June's dividend total. If those payments were included this month, we would have over $500 of dividend income this month, which is on par with our recent trend of $400 to $600 per month. Lastly, we can see our annual dividend income growing at a pretty good rate. This month's increase was not as large as some of our previous months, but we still had growth of about 8%, which pushed us over the halfway mark towards our goal of $12,000 per year of dividend income. We will most likely not hit the goal by the end of this year, but we should be able to achieve it by early next year. So that's the dividend portfolio's growth over the last month. Let's check out our stock purchases that made it happen. Before that, I do want to quickly mention that I am continually investing $2,500 a month into my 401k, which purchases broad market ETFs. So I am not only investing into this income portfolio, I'm still dollar cost averaging into the S&P 500 to purchase great stocks while they're all on discount. Alright, now that we have that out of the way, for this portfolio, I stuck to our normal purchases since there isn't really anything else I want to buy at the moment. Starting with RYLD, we bought 140 shares this month for about $21 per share, which came out to a total of $3,012.80, bringing the total shares in the portfolio up to 724. Then we bought 207 shares of QYLD for about $18 per share for a total of $3,812.76, which brought the total shares in the portfolio up to 850. Besides those purchases, we had a few dividend reinvestments from DIB and Horizon Technologies as well, which allowed them to buy 2 more shares each for themselves. So this last month I spent $6,825.74 on stock, which were all pretty much manual purchases. I've actually disabled my automated daily purchases and I just buy in large lump sums on red days. I am trying to reduce the purchases a bit, but we've had a lot of red days. Okay guys, so I actually had some comments about my continued investment in a QYLD and RYLD during this market crash. Let me show you how much money I've actually lost from investing in these positions. So for QYLD, I'm down about 15% since I started buying the stock, and for RYLD, I'm down about 11%. Overall, this is not great, but when some of my growth positions like Netflix and Amazon that have shed 30 to 50% this month, it's actually not bad. I will continue to dollar cost average into my income stock positions because my goal is passive income, not having the largest portfolio balance, which in this current market is a tough ask. A $400,000 portfolio generating $3,500 a month in passive income is much more useful to me than a $1 million portfolio that can drop 30% in a month. It will also take me much less time to build the $400,000 portfolio. Alright guys, so this month our goal was to achieve a 5.35% dividend yield and $6,000 of annual income. We beat both those goals by a fair margin. So for next month, I want to try and get a 6% dividend yield and $6,600 of annual income. So that's it for this month's dividend portfolio update. I'm happy to see our portfolio is increasing in every metric that we care about, and our cash flow is increasing every single month. We are definitely getting closer to our goal. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for checking out my video, and if you enjoyed it, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.